audit your conversion tracking. Check if your conversion action is set up correctly. Use Google Tag Assistant to check if your tags are firing properly. Test your entire conversion funnel to test for accurate tracking. Click on goals and summary. Look for inactive. Click troubleshoot. Use Tag Assistant to test your tag by connecting your website and firing your tag by simply clicking your conversion action on your page. Test if your tag is actually working. If your tag isn't working, just reinstall your conversion tag onto your website. Make sure that's actually properly installed. Optimize your landing page. Make sure that there's a strong match between your ad copy and your landing page. So let's look at this example here. SEM Rush, I have an ad here. This ad doesn't take them to an irrelevant page. It takes them directly to the page that the ad is talking about. It's going to show you the free SEO tool that is actually advertised in your Google Ads. If I click on this ad and I don't see the SEO tool I'm looking for, I'm just going to click off and I'm not going to convert. There isn't a clear congruency between your ad copy and your landing page. Make sure that you have a fast landing page. And a quick shortcut to this is having a good template. These are the effects of a slow landing page. SEMrush did some research and they found these stats. Bounces, basically, they click on your page and they leave your page. The faster your page loads, the lower your bounce rate is. They tracked a 32% bounce rate on average for pages that load between 1 and 3 seconds. And if you go all the way to 1 and 10 seconds, it's 123% bounce rate. They even have over 100% of people leaving your page if you have a page that loads over 10 seconds. You can see the difference between 1 and 5 and 1 and 3 is 60%. Have a landing page, a template that's optimized for speed. Ensure that there are clear and compelling calls to action. Take them to a landing page and there's a call to action, request a quote. But you want to have multiple of these calls to action in different sections of your landing page, urging the person to convert. You don't want to take them to a website where there's different links that can lead them to anywhere else apart from the one goal that you want to track. But the only button that should be on your landing page is the call to action button. At the top, there could be a request a quote button. Here, there could be a request a quote button. Underneath the testimonials, there could be a request a quote button. There are multiple calls to action that are actually driving the person to filling information and becoming a lead for your business or your client's business. One of the biggest things people actually fuck up on is literally the landing page. If you can get the landing page correctly done, there's a strong match between your ad copy and your landing page. You have a fast landing page. It's not just some slow ass thing that's taking 10 seconds to load and increasing the bounce probability by over 123%. You have a fast landing page because you've used a good template and you're also including calls to action that are clear and compelling. If you want them to request a quote, write request a quote. Don't write anything else but what you want them to do. The key to a call to action is be very specific about what you want them to do and make sure that that is reflected in your ad copy and also in your landing page. So you have to dial in your targeting. So you want to review your search term reports, add negative keywords into your campaign based on the performance. Go to search terms and see all the different search terms that are generating conversions. If they're not generating conversions and they're just using a bunch of money, pause those and focus on the keywords that actually are bringing conversions. Any keywords that aren't necessarily reflecting your offer, you want to add those search terms as negative keywords. Increase your bids and focus on high-performing geographic areas and remove low-performing areas. So go to your locations. If a location is performing well, bid more for that geographic area. But if it isn't, remove that area and focus on areas that are actually performing well. Dial in on those areas. Based on the data, you're going to refine those areas and reduce the areas onto the most hotspot areas. Use audience targeting to reach the users who are most likely to convert. Go to your audiences. Click on all the different audiences that are most likely to convert, that are relevant to your ICP. Over time, you're going to refine those audiences based on the data you receive from Google Ads on those audiences to the most high-performing audiences and remove low-performing audiences.